What if you actually looked forward to working on your craft every day? What if it felt easy and fun, like playing video games, instead of something you kept putting off? Imagine how much you could create. Let me show you how. The most important thing is to have fun. When you're having fun, your creative side comes alive. You stop overthinking and just create. That's when your best work happens. So make things you actually love. Don't make art because you feel like you have to. Don't make it to please other people or follow some rule you read somewhere. Make things that come from your heart. Make things you enjoy. Look at what inspires you. Your favorite songs, movies, books, paintings. These tell you a lot about the kind of art you want to make. Pay attention to what you like. Where you work matters a lot. Your environment affects your mood, your energy, and your creativity. So make your workspace a place you actually want to be in. Put up pictures, posters, or anything that inspires you. And if you can, work outside. Nature is powerful. Fresh air, trees, open space. These things calm your mind and help your creative spirit feel free. Even if it's just brainstorming or writing, try to do it outside when you can. Show up for your craft regularly. Creativity is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Don't only create when you feel like it. Make it a part of your daily life. The good news is, if you make the process fun and enjoyable, sticking to a routine becomes much easier. You'll want to come back. Find the best time of day that works for you. Morning, night, whatever feels right. And commit to it. When an idea comes to you, don't ignore it. Write it down, record it, act on it. The more you respond to your creative ideas, the more ideas will come. Also, practice being quiet and still every day. We're always filling silence with music, videos, or noise. But ideas come in the quiet. You don't have to force them. Just stop blocking them. Sit in silence, go outside, and listen. Your creative spirit will speak to you. Sometimes we can't see how special this whole thing is because we're scared or we have negative beliefs holding us back. But the chance to do something you love, to express your soul through art, that's a real gift. If you can't enjoy the process now, you won't enjoy it later either. Waiting until you're successful to be happy won't work. You have to find the joy in it right now. Romanticizing your process isn't about pretending things are perfect. It's about seeing the true beauty that's already there. The hard days, the struggles, those are part of it too, and they make you stronger. If this video helped you even a little, hit subscribe. Every week I put out videos to help you love your craft and keep going even on the hard days. This is a community for creators who are serious about their journey. Subscribe and let's build something great together. See you in the next one.